Damn.
Okay,
so
wait, hold on. Do you use the mouse or?
Oh, the arrow.
You use the thingies.
What if I make it? Do you want me to like intentionally not make it?
You have to make it.
Is this scary?
You got a cover for your
I
phone?
don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Is it the Jello skin, whatever?
Yeah. Kendall Jenner.
Kendall Jenner.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
She's pretty.
I heard she's really mean.
Yeah, me too.
She's
oh
what?
yeah, you're the one that told me that.
Yeah.
She's mean and like she has acne and stuff.
Yeah, she's really bad at
So
acne, but
what's
her
the
sister's
problem
really
with
nice.
having that
I
acne?
don't.
Yeah,
I
it
mean,
just proves that she's human. I mean, I'm a pizza face over here.
shut up.
You're not a pizza.
I'm not
fan.
even surprised that she's mean though.
I know.
Like when she
God,
did
I'm
that
gonna
runway
die.
episode. Did you guys see that?
Oh my god.
That was
Yeah.
kind of rude.